Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, your go-to source for in-depth, honest reviews of the latest products on the market. Today we're looking at the Braun TriForce Power Blender, a powerhouse countertop blender designed to handle a variety of tasks with ease, from smoothies to purees and beyond. With a 1200-watt motor, multiple settings, and a unique triangular jug, this blender promises fast, efficient blending. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Braun TriForce Power Blender comes with a strong 1200-watt motor, giving it the muscle to handle tough ingredients like ice, frozen fruits, and hard vegetables. It features 10 manual speeds, which allow for total control over your blending, along with three preset food programs designed for smoothies, purees, and soups. What really sets this blender apart, though, is its 3 distinct texture settings: smooth, medium, and coarse, which give you the flexibility to achieve the exact consistency you're looking for, whether you're making a silky smoothie or a chunky salsa. The blender's triangular jug design is another unique feature, promising faster, more even blending, and reducing the time spent in the kitchen. The stainless steel blades are built to emulsify ingredients effortlessly, making the entire process quick and smooth. Plus, cleanup is made easy with an easy-to-wipe control panel. Now, let's talk about how this blender performs in the real world. Setting it up is a breeze. Just plug it in, choose your settings, and you're ready to blend. The controls are intuitive, and the 10-speed options provide plenty of flexibility for different recipes. When I tested the smoothie program, I tossed in some frozen berries, banana, and spinach, and within seconds, it turned into a smooth, creamy mixture. No chunks left behind. The puree setting was equally impressive, making quick work of carrots and butternut squash, blending them into a velvety soup. As for the soup setting, it worked just as well, though I found the texture to be a bit smoother than I usually prefer for a chunky style soup. So, while it excels at pureeing and blending, the blender's texture options are key to getting the result that fits your needs. The 1200 watts make a noticeable difference here, providing ample power for tougher ingredients. The triangular jug design also does its job well. It ensures that ingredients get pulled down toward the blades efficiently, minimizing the need to stop and scrape the sides. This means less time spent fiddling with the blender and more time enjoying your creation. While it's fantastic at blending tough ingredients, I did notice that if I overfilled the jug, it occasionally struggled with really dense mixtures, like a thick nut butter, requiring a bit of manual intervention to get everything blended evenly. As for the overall build quality, the Braun TriForce Power Blender feels solid and well-made. The stainless steel blades are sharp and durable, and the jug feels sturdy without being overly heavy. The control panel is sleek, simple, and easy to clean. No complaints there. The only downside I experienced was the noise level. While not unbearable, this blender is definitely louder than some others I've used, especially on the higher speed settings. It's not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind if you're sensitive to noise during early morning smoothie prep. When it comes to value for money, the Braun TriForce Power Blender sits at a mid-range price point. At around $150 to $200, it's not the cheapest blender on the market, but considering its power, features, and overall performance, it does offer a solid return on investment. If you compare it to similarly priced blenders like the Ninja Professional 1000-watt blender, which also offers good power and performance, the Braun stands out due to its additional texture settings and more precise control with the 10 manual speeds. While other blenders in this range might offer similar motor strength, Braun's attention to blending precision and unique design elements give it an edge. In terms of comparisons, if you're looking at other high-end blenders, the Vitamix 5200 is a direct competitor, though it's more expensive. The Vitamix offers superior longevity and a high-end feel, but the Braun offers nearly comparable performance at a fraction of the price, with the added bonus of texture controls. If you're on the hunt for something budget-friendly, the Hamilton Beach Professional 1800-watt blender is another good alternative, though it lacks the customization that the Braun TriForce offers with its unique texture settings. As far as long-term reliability goes, The Braun TriForce Power Blender is backed by Braun's reputation for building durable kitchen appliances. While I haven't had the chance to test it over an extended period yet, based on its construction and the power it delivers, I'd expect it to last a good while. The brand has been a trusted name in the kitchen for years, so it's reasonable to expect this blender to stand up to regular use, especially if you take care of it and keep it clean. When it comes to customer service, I didn't have to contact Braun directly for any issues, but the brand is known for its helpful and responsive support. Braun typically has a good track record with customer service, and they offer a warranty with this product, which gives peace of mind in case anything goes wrong down the line. To wrap things up, the Braun TriForce Power Blender is a powerful, versatile, and well-built blender that delivers solid performance across a range of tasks. Its 1200-watt motor, customizable texture settings, and unique triangular jug design make it stand out in a crowded market. While it's not the quietest blender on the block, its features and blending power make it an excellent choice for anyone who regularly makes smoothies, soups, and purees. If you're someone who loves to experiment with different textures and ingredients, this blender is a great addition to your kitchen. Thanks for watching, and if you've made it this far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews like this. If you already own the Braun TriForce Power Blender, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're considering purchasing it, you'll find the link to get one in the comments box as well. Goodbye till next time, and remember, there's always a new review waiting here at Reviewsinside TV.